This segment is brought to you by Brown Chevrolet Buick in Wamego, just a short drive down the Yellow Brick Road.
Hi friends, Ernie Rodina with the Better Horses Radio Show out at the Dodge City Roundup Rodeo. Unbelievable, just an unbelievable event. And I'm here on behalf of Ag AM in Kansas. A great show. We're here featuring a lot of cowboys, cowgirls, and great veterinarians. It's Dr. Chris Blevins. Doc, great to run into you out here.
Yeah.
And just what a wonderful event.
This is just a wonderful event, and it's a wonderful team work that we have with Kansas State University and Dodge City Rodeo Committee to get us to come out here, and we got some students out here with us, so this is just great.
You're part of the K-State's Field Services, and the one thing, you know, we got this nice weather and everything. We're in the middle of summer, getting towards the fall. There's a lot of health issues that come up, maybe through weeds or things like that, and we've had cases of colic.
Yeah, that's right. You know, I think a lot of times you've got to think about when you're taking and going a lot of places with your horses, there's a lot of stress. And those stress things can lead to potentially colic, in addition to respiratory diseases and those kind of things. So paying attention to those horses is very beneficial. You know, and all these rodeo horses, they have to keep a close eye on them because they want to keep them healthy. But heck, they could have pneumonia or they could get colicky, so working those up is always a possibility.
I would think with all the different travels, water intake would be an issue too for these horses.
That's right, yeah, and that's a thing where when you think about water intake and that of the horse, some horses actually prefer different tastes of water. So if you do a lot of traveling, sometimes it's best to have your own water and bring your own water with you because you never know if the horse is going to drink that, or you can add flavors to the water too. But making sure horses drink water is very crucial.
Well, and these rodeo horses don't have the luxury of coming in 2 days early, getting acclimated to the weather and everything else. This is like driving all night, get there and perform, and it's real crucial on what their vital signs and everything are going to be.
That's right. You know, these horses, it's almost, if you look out here in an evening, you'll see trailers in and out of here so fast, and that's just because they're going from one place to the other. And so making sure they keep track of, you know, the respiration rate, attitude, and keeping so they eat is a big indicator of how healthy they are.
You talk to all the winners and all the performers in this rodeo, and they'll tell you what is so important to have a good relationship with their local veterinarian and veterinarians on the grounds like yourself.
That's right. Yep. Just get them involved as soon as possible and head it off before it gets too bad.
Well, folks, thanks for tuning in to Ag AM in Kansas. I'm Ernie Rodina with Better Horses Radio Show. Check us out at betterhorsesradio.com. Thank you.